Listen, I can't guarantee the funny.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to be dyeing my hair. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. It's the first time I've ever done anything to my hair. This is my natural color. No, we're not bleaching it because I'm scared as F for that as well. So I have my friend. She's coming over, she's gonna help me.
Hi.
It's Jackie.
Hey.
So yeah, this is my natural hair color. There we are. So let me show you guys the colors. Doing like a purpley to a kind of reddy, pinky to a very pink. It's gonna be roots, mids, and ends. We got all our different stuff. We're using Arctic Fox. Very excited. This is the only color I could find, so I bought conditioner to dilute it. And I also found this blue at the register. So let's do this.
I'm so excited to do like the sides, the top, and edge. Oh, can I show camera? Can we tell? Can we not tell?
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Let's do a product reveal.
Oh, oh.
All right.
One chunk down out of how many chunks do you have?
4.
4.
I really should
You
have
only
done.
have 4?
Yeah, I should have done more.
What hair? It's
But
very
The
thick.
lady who has the most hair in the world doesn't own more than 3 clips. So here we are with all of that.
Sorry.
I just want to keep touching it. Brad Mondo says to start from the bottom. Makes everything look nice and even, and that is what I'm doing.
I like literally binge watched his videos today, but mostly like what skin tone do I do for my hair color?
Ooh.
Or what hair color do I do for my skin tone? I haven't had enough coffee yet either. It's also
It's like 6 p.m.
7 o'clock. It's like 6:30.
It's 6:30?
Yeah.
I worked all fucking day.
I only had 1 cup today. I have iced coffee. I don't need coffee right now.
Whatever you like.
You can have whatever you like. Stacks on dick.
Oh. Oh, Liz. I love this part. All right. Oh my god.
Did you take too big of a chunk?
No.
We got more dye, so don't be stingy.
Lies. Oh god, no, dude. We got full coverage here.
We got
We
basically
are
this.
a quadruple D full coverage bra right now. This is a really big section. Do you remember when you and Amber dyed my hair in my parents' bathroom and we did not tell my parents and they didn't find out until the next morning? Good times.
Yeah.
Listen, I can't guarantee the funny. This boy thinks I can guarantee the funny. Yeah. You can. Am I still the intro in your thing?
Yes.
Oh my god. I was gonna make a joke about how like iPhones break all the time, but Hunter dropped my phone from 2 feet and it's still super broken.
Yeah. Did you put the tape on afterwards just to keep your phone together?
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
okay.
I dropped it again and it cracked a little bit more. To be fair, I originally dropped my lunchbox and my phone at the same time, and I decided that snacks were more important. So I caught my lunchbox and not my phone.
Nice.
All right. Nothing. We're good. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
Everything's fine.
Okay.
Everything's fine.
Cool.
It's fine.
I believe you.
Everything you shouldn't.
Shouldn't?
What? Everything's cool. Blueberry cucumbers. Ah! I hope this turns out good.
Yeah.
I mean,
me
it's
too.
turning out great.
Okay.
Listen, I'm stressing.
Are you?
No, not particularly. No more than usual,
Got it.
I guess. Yeah,
Okay.
no more than usual. And then everything's fine. Everything works out great. Oh, look at all that! So much hair. Just leave that there for a minute. A little crown on top of your head.
Nice.
So you've never had your hair dyed before?
Nope.
I gotta say, this is the first time I'm dyeing someone else's hair. I need an adult. Liz, you're older than me. Help.
What? With what? What do you need?
These hands. If I had like a clothing line or like a perfume line, definitely be coconut something and strawberry whatever. For sure. There's gonna be like a green one that's just like, oh,
Maybe lime.
maybe? Who cares?
There should be a who cares. It'd be like the, what would it be, like a purpley blue? Like a blue or a purple?
Oh yeah, probably. Oh. It falls so heavy. There's so much in it.
It's so thick.
Dick.
Everything in this vicinity and my little 4-foot square doesn't matter if it gets color on it. Did you point to yourself?
Yeah, it's fine.
No, you matter.
Sorry, good Christian baking channel. Locals, they will know. Your hair is so purpley pink.
Still nervous. I'm halfway through my head, I'm still nervous.
Well, good news, bad news. Good news, you've committed to something. Bad news is, there is no turning back.
Cool.
Have you ever, like, kicked a pencil or something and gotten some graphite in your skin? Oh, just me then? Okay.
You kicked a pencil?
I didn't do it on purpose.
Okay.
I have ADHD. When I was young, I sharpened a bunch of pencils and promptly went to bed and threw them on my floor. Woke up, kicked a pencil, and now there is forever graphite in my left big toe.
Alright, so we're halfway done. I can't see it. I only see the bottoms whenever she pulls it around, but you guys get a little sneak peek? Alright, well our battery's about to die, so we'll see you when it's done.
Help me, my camera is dying. Help me, I got no camera battery.
Hello, Editing Liz here. So I lost a big chunk of today's video because I guess my camera corrupted it, but I do have to dye my hair back to normal because I am having interviews. I had to switch jobs real suddenly, so I have interviews at places that don't allow colored hair, so I had to switch my hair color up real quick. So I got some color oops, and the clips that are missing are just me applying it and getting that all taken care of. I really hate not having pink hair anymore, but I feel like this is still, it's a weird color. It turned out weird. I don't know what I did wrong, but enjoy the rest of the video. All right, we're back. I look like a weird Star Wars character. Anyway, it's been 20 minutes, time to rinse this out. I was supposed to rinse it for 20 minutes and longer for thick hair, so I'm just gonna rinse it for like 25, 30 minutes maybe. After shampooing, I might shampoo 2 or 3 times because I need to get this color out because I don't know what else to do. So there's your update. See you in a minute. Alright, so a few things. I think it's okay. I think I did an okay job. It still looks a little pinky, like while it's wet. So I don't know if like, maybe it'll look strawberry blonde when I get done drying it. That's the first thing. Second thing, when I tell you this stuff smells like Nair, but let's add rotten eggs, it's that bad. It smells so bad. I shampooed my hair 3 times with 3 different shampoos. Let me show you, give me just a sec. All right, first I went in with the Suave, like the really bad stuff that you really shouldn't use on your hair because it's terrible for it. I used that because I was trying to get this color out before getting to my, like this is my final last resort. Actually no, my last resort would be bleaching and I really don't want to do that. But anyway, this is my last resort before completely messing my hair up with bleach. So I went with the Suave first because I was like, it's clarifying shampoo, it should be fine. Like I don't like the smell of that either. Both smells combined. No, it says to rinse it for a while, so I rinsed it for a while more and I was like, maybe a second shampoo will help. So I used one of these shampoos from Lush. So I used that one. It was great, it was cool. I thought I was gonna be able to get that done with that one, but no, I didn't. I couldn't. It didn't work. And then I was like, okay, so the scent is really just bothering me right now and like the ends look pretty blonde. Maybe it's just like scent that I need to get taken care of. So then I used this stuff, and it's really good for your hair. It's sulfate free, so it wasn't gonna do much as far as like stripping stuff. So I then used that, and I still, like I still smell Nair plus rotten egg, and it's disgusting. So I'm gonna use my R&B, which is probably my favorite thing, and like the one thing that if I had to get one thing from Lush for the rest of my life, that would be the thing that I would get because it's just so amazing. It's so thick. This is it before blow drying. Still a little ready. It's kind of making me nervous that I didn't do enough. But if I end up a ginger, I end up a ginger. I mean, it's fine. I'm pale enough as it is. Like I almost can blend into my wall back here. I'm fine being a ginger. It'll eventually wash out. I'm nervous. So, I'll be back. I have some thoughts. So I will say it's not fully dry because I have thick hair and it takes forever to dry fully, so it's still like damp, but it's like it's dry enough. You'll see what happened. So not quite what I was going for. It is still very much like a pinky, orangey, reddy brassiness, which is fine. My natural hair is normally like a dirty blonde. Like this is my natural color. Like it's actually my natural color. This has been growing out for a while. This is fine. There's a sure line where you can see color, natural hair color, and then orange. How that happened, I have no idea. Oh, and an update about the smell. It still smells like rotten eggs and Nair. I mean, I keep my hair up 90% of the time and my roots look fine. This is fine. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do the color Oops again because I was reading it and it said that it was supposed to be for like hair that had an ammonia or like a hydrogen peroxide reaction. And I don't think that semi-permanent Arctic Fox has that. I don't know. I'm not a hair colorist. I'm a baker. So like I know baking stuff that happens. I don't know what happens with color. That's that. This is my hair. So here's the back. My hair is up 90% of the time because like summer in St. Louis is humid and gross and I don't have time. I don't know how to end this video. This has been a weird video if you've watched it all the way through. Maybe it'll be picked up by Brad Mondo. I don't know. God, it looks so orange. It smells so bad. I want it gone. I want the smell gone, but I know it's gonna be a while because scent sticks. And I mean, yeah, that's real orange. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. I promise there will be baking stuff coming up in the next week or two, so look out for that. Like this video if you liked it. Leave a subscribe if you want to see more from me. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.